How to log out of DoorDash on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily log out of DoorDash on all devices. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your DoorDash and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, what you want to do is just go ahead and tap on the Me section at the bottom right. And once you are on your profile section, you just want to head over to settings. And as you can see here, there is no option to log out of all devices on DoorDash. So if you think you are logged in somewhere else and your account is being used by someone else, then it is a good way to log out of all of your account. But there is a simple trick that you can do to log out of all of your accounts. So for that, you will need to change your password. And to change your password, you will have to tap on the your profile icon first, and then from here, if you scroll down, you'll have an option to change password. Now you can just enter your old password here, then confirm your new password here. You will have to use at least 8 character in length, use in uppercase and lowercase letters, use numbers from 0 to 9, and special characters like these ones. So if you use all of these, your password will be strong and no one else will be able to log into your account anymore. And once you change your password, all of the remaining devices that you're logged in, they will be logged out as well. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.